this video is just gonna be a casual vlog, day in the life with me. It's gonna be very casual. I have a lot of errands and household things that I want to get done today. As you can see, I started with my bed. So my sheets are in the washing machine. Dishes are getting cleaned. Washing machine is on. I have rearranged. Oop, I just bumped into myself. But I've rearranged my room. I eventually want to do an apartment tour for you guys, an NYC apartment tour. But I don't know. I'm still like fixing things up in my room and like getting it to everything that I want. So anyway, my sheets are in the washing machine, and now I need to build my desk. So I finally ordered a desk off of IKEA. I was doing my makeup like in an impossible way, and I was just like, you know what, I cannot handle this anymore. I need to order a desk. So I did, and it came. I haven't had time to put it up yet, but today I'm going to. So you guys are just going to follow me around, see what I'm up to, kicking this box out of my room. Yeah, you guys, the cleaning and reorganizing has been real. I've ordered so much stuff. So yeah, you guys are just gonna follow me around today. I don't have class today. Today is Friday. I don't have class, so I'm just gonna be getting shit done, getting my life together. It's Friday, it's the weekend. I like to just get myself together on the weekends. So, yesterday, I was supposed to run errands, go grocery shopping, and treat myself and everything else. And I didn't have time to do that because it literally took me all day to make my desk, and I still didn't make it right. As you guys can see, I cannot get this part right, the drawer part right. So yeah, I just finished doing like a little bit of makeup. I did my eyebrows, put a little bit of concealer, just leftover eyeshadow from my eyeshadow brush, and I think that's it. Oh, and I put like some bronzer on. This is my favorite bronzer, Brown Black Radiance in the color Ginger Snap. Can you guys see that? Is it focusing? Okay, it's not focusing, but it's like my favorite bronzer. I use it as like highlight just because it's like rose gold with hints of brown, so I love to use that on my skin. But I'm going to choose an outfit and get out of this shirt. This is my like, it's dark in here. So I've made it back home and I'm just chilling. Well, I'm watching a YouTube video. Hold on. I'm just relaxing until I go to the grocery store, and I'm probably gonna go to TJ Maxx and Home Goods. It's like my favorite stores. So I'm gonna go there and maybe go for a walk in Central Park. watching this show, and I am in love. I love Tika Sumpter. I love this show. I recommend you guys to watch it. It's really, really good and juicy, and I love Tika Sumpter. She's so beautiful.